In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Outlook integration in Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects or just trying to streamline your workflow, integrating Outlook with Monday.com can be extremely beneficial. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, what you want to do is head over to Monday.com. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you're going to see multiple login options. Today, we're going to select the Google login option because it's quick and integrates seamlessly. Click on the Google icon and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the one that you've previously linked with Monday.com. If it's your first time linking them, you might need to give some permissions, so don't forget to accept those to proceed. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your board's page. You'll notice a button labeled Integrate. This button is going to be your gateway to linking Monday.com with Outlook. Click on it, and as you do, it will display a list of applications that you can integrate with Monday.com. Keep an eye out for Outlook on this list. Once you spot Outlook on the list, go ahead and click it. You'll now be presented with a set of templates to choose from. These templates are there to help you establish the type of connection you wish to have between Outlook and Monday.com. Choose a template that best fits your needs, whether it's syncing calendars, emails, or tasks. After selecting the appropriate template, you'll see a button labeled Connect pop up. Clicking on Connect will prompt you to log into your Outlook account. You'll need to sign in using your Outlook credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Follow the prompts to complete the login process. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Outlook with Monday.com. From here on, you can start managing your tasks and communications directly through Monday.com without having to switch back and forth between applications. Remember, this integration is all about streamlining your workflow, so feel free to explore the various features and settings to tailor the integration to your exact needs. If you face any issues or have specific queries, Monday.com's support team is just a click away to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!